Hey everyone, welcome back. If the CommBank app keeps getting stuck on the loading screen, first start by checking your internet speed. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet so your app operates smoothly. Next, what you're going to do is turn on the airplane mode, then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. After that, turn it back off to refresh your network. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the CommBank app and then swipe it away. Wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. Now restart your phone and try again. If the loading screen still does not move, go ahead and long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the CommBank app and reinstall it. Then it will remove any damaged files, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.